Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to remove Google search bar from home screen on Android phone. So guys, if you're using Android phone and there is a search bar, Google search bar, and if you don't want to it or want to remove it, there is a few option I will show in this video tutorial. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So guys, here you can see I am on my Android phone and screen. So you can see this is my Google search bar and I want to remove it. How you can remove it? So this is first option may be available on your phone or maybe not. So you can just click on it and hold it for 1 second, and now you can remove it. Okay, so if you remove it, it will be removed. The second option, if you are using the update phone, then go to their settings, phone settings, and search here search bar. Okay, search bar, and search it. So in my phone there is a no option, but if you have option this search bar on your home screen, then there is a option will come here like search bar, or you can also can only search only search terms. And there is a maybe option, if you have, there will be appear here, just click on it and you can off your search bar on the home screen. There is a 2 3 option will be enabled. So last option, that maybe this option will apply to all Android phone. Go to the your setting and now have to find application, install application, and here you have to find all application. Now here you can see all your install application. Now you have to find Google application, just tick on it, open it, and you can simply force stop it. Or if you have disable option, you can disable it, or if you have uninstall option, you can uninstall it. Okay, so I have disable option, I can disable, so maybe this search bar will not visible. So try this three option, and I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.